What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please press that subscribe button and join the family of lovelies. Also, turn notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Today is a very special day and it has been long waited. You guys commented, you guys DM'd me, you guys hit me up on Snapchat asking and begging for this Milani liquid lip. So you can tell by the title that your girl delivered, so let's get it. Before we dive into these 10 new shades, I wanted to remind you guys that the Sephora bundle giveaway is going to stay on for 4 more days until Saturday when we choose the winner. Also, we are going to be opening up a question and answer segment on our Snapchat. So if you have any questions about me, about makeup, about my personal life, or anything, make sure that you hit me up on Snapchat and you could be in our next video. We are going to swatch these liquid lips. So let's just go in and see what Loved looks like. It's a pretty nude color. It does dry down very matte. Very matte. All of these shades that I'm going to show you today are matte shades. There are 2 other categories. I believe that they have a metallic matte liquid lip and also a glossy liquid lip. Those 2 categories will be in a future video, so make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss that one. Guys, the next shade that we're going to be talking about, this one is called Precious, and she is a matte nude with a pinkish undertone. If you've noticed, some of the nudes that I will be showing you will have brown undertones, some will have pink, and let's just see how this one looks. Ooh, okay. That one is a little bit lighter than this one. Still a beautiful color. And like over here, like, girl, this one smells like Girl Scout cookies. Like. All right, guys, the next shade that we're going to be diving into is called Jolly. Now, if you side by side compare it to this Precious one, you can see that it is slightly a different shade, just slightly. Let's just see how this one works out. Now that one is amazing. Oh my god. That one would have, honestly, that one would have stolen the show. Like, oh, I would just want to. Again, with the Girl Scout cookies, like, Milani, you are killing it with these smells. They're not too, like, overpowering and perfumey. It's more of a, I just went to the grocery store and I'm hungry and I want something sweet. All right, guys, I have debuted this color in one of my previous videos. This one is called Gorgeous. She is a lovely fuchsia pink color. And also this one is Obsession. I have done both of these in a previous video, so if you are curious what these 2 look like, you can check in the description box and I will leave the link for that video in there. We are not going to swatch these 2 today just to save a little bit of time, so moving on to the next shade. So if you know me, then you know that I am a sucker for a red. So this one is called Devotion, and it is like, hello, I'm red, how are you? And I mean, I wonder if, see, this one smells like cheesecake. Like, they all have different smells, not too overpowering, but they're all like super sweet smells, and I love that. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do this red one right here. Hello. Bam. There you go. Ooh! I love it, love it. Oh my god, I'm getting super excited. Let's get it. Now this one is called Covet, and it is a lovely darker nudie brown, I want to say. But again, with the smells. Like this one, oh my god, okay, this one smells like the creamy stuff that's on the inside of Oreos. Yummo! Okay, so let's just do this one right here. Wow, that one is Hello Pigment, how are you? Isn't it lovely? Like, can you just imagine with this eye look? The name is called Fabulous. Isn't that such a cute name? Okay, this one is a tad lighter than this top one, but we're just gonna see what this one smells like. Oh, okay. The coloring is different from in the bottle than what is coming off of this. The bottle looks brown, and I mean, it looks like it's gonna give off a reddish tint, but let's just see. Okay, yeah. Okay, I like that one. Now moving on. All right, guys, we are down to the last shade, sadly, but make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss my future video. Okay, this one is called Magnificent. Now, by first glance, she looks like she could be purple, but no, that is not the case with this one. She is a lovely, lovely deep maroon color. Let's just tuck her right here. Wow, that one is gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 and this smell is just, oh, it's just taking me to heaven. So these are all of the Milani liquid lip, and these are the matte finishes. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing me play with these lovely colors. All of them are like bam, 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 on point. Milani, round of applause. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you like what you've seen today, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which of these colors you guys like the best. I always love spending every single moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.